Hi Drastic Kitties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a super cute miniature Bull Terrier. This drawing was inspired by a pop figure of Target's mascot. I love it when I go shopping at Target and I see this little dog everywhere. It's so cute. I've always wanted to draw it for you, and when I finally saw the pop figure of it, I couldn't resist anymore. So hopefully you guys will love this little dog as much as I do. So get your Sharpie ready or your pencil and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this cute little dog, we're going to first start by drawing his nose. So I'll start right here and just draw a big oval. Nice little curve, and we're going to bring it around and connect it. And let's come in here. I'm just going to add another thinner oval and just shade this all in black, just so you can see a little bit better. There, got his little nose in. Now let's come to the top right here. On both sides, we're going to draw another circle for his eyes. But just notice that when you're drawing the circle, go up a little bit because there's going to be a big patch around the eye. So I'll give it some room, so about right here. And I'll just draw a circle. And another one on the other side. So about right here. There, got my two circles in. And now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm come in here with two small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. There, so we have his eyes in. Now let's start to draw his face. So I'm going to come to where his eye is, where we drew his eye. Let's come out a little bit and just give yourself a point. So we're basically just going to draw a very kind of like a bottom of a U curve around the eyes and the nose. So right here I'll start, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So we're going to be pretty close on the nose area. Not too much room. And connect. There. Now let's bring this part up and we're going to draw another curve going the other way. So come up right here. Kind of tapering in as you come up. And about right there, I'll start to connect it. Just go up. And connect. There, got his little head in. Okay, so then let's come up right here above his eye. I'm just going to add a little curve above his eye. And then let's add that little spot if you want. So I'm going to draw a very big oval that's at a slant. So I'll start about right here so I know not to go further out. And I'm just going to draw a big oval around the eye. So it's going to be wider over here and thinner over here. So get closer to the eye, about right there. And just bring it down. So close. And connect it. There, we got our spot in. And Let's see here. So if you want to make it like the Target dog, you would just add another oval right here to give it that ring. So let's do that now, because I'm not too sure how I want to do it yet. So right here, just go ahead and draw another oval, following my outside. And this side's going to be thinner. There, I kind of muddled it up, but I hope you get the idea. Okay, so we have our ring in. Now let's come up to the ears. So pretty big ears, so I'm going to come about right here. And let's see here, draw a curve. Nice big ears that bring them down. Round off the tip right here. And bring it all the way down. And right here, just going to add a curve and taper it in. So let's do the same thing on this side. So about right here, drag a point across so we know where to go. And we're going to go up, just like the other side. So before I go all the way up, I'm just going to drag this point across, just so I know approximately how far to go. But right there, round it off and come back to my point. And once again, draw another curve for the inside. There, now we got our cute little dog. So here's the question, do you want to give him a smile or not? I couldn't resist. If you don't want to, it's up to you, but I could not resist not giving him a smile. So right here, I'm just gonna give him a little smirk smile right under his nose. And cap it off. Oh, okay. So then now let's draw his collar. So I'm gonna go right here, centering his collar. And connect it. Slight curve. And now his little body. So we're going to come out from this point, draw a curve that comes out. And just bring this down. And about right there, I'll come about right here. Draw another curve for his front legs. So let's bring this down a little bit more. We're slowly building his legs. And about right there, I'll stop and curve this part out. Bring this in and connect it. And add two little curves right here for his little toes. So same thing on the other side. But right there, curve it out. Bring this down and connect. And two little curves going this way for his toes. Now let's come back up here and we're going to draw his back legs. So it's just a curve, say about right here. I'll start and I'm just going to tuck it in, nice and simple. Same thing on this side. Just a curve that comes out and tucks right in. So for the bottom part right here, come to where this point is, and we're just going to draw a little curve on both sides. So just a slight indication of his legs, his foot. So come in here and give a little curve, little angle. And in between right here, just add a little curve. There. And you can add a little curve right here if you want. And let's see here. Last but not least, let's give him his little heart collar. So right in the center, I'm just gonna add a little line. And of course, a heart to make him my Draw So Cute mini Bull Terrier. So there, hope you guys love this drawing of this little mini Bull Terrier. So as you can see, if you want to make it exactly like the Target dog, just paint a little patch around the eye red. But if you just want a regular Bull Terrier, just paint it brown or black or whatever color you want. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.